Welcome to Cantaritos El Güero. Fuck. A ver qué maneja al rato. They're using it as bottle service, serving in the little one. Mira, tienen zinc y luego se vomita aquí. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Y por qué pues pides uno grande así, vale?
Apenas el primero, el segundo, el tercero.
Ándale.
El tercero casi. El tercero.
Tequila Centro. ¿Y esa fuente es de tequila o es agua?
Que le pides ya a tu abuelita y lo...
Going towards Tequila, the town. You got little shops here and there, the left, the right. Welcome to Tequila, guys. There it is. Derecha. Mira. Oh, church is ready. You have to get one here, and then get a refill over here, and then you go to the other one, you get a refill over there. Tequila Jalisco.
Get the fuck out of here. Okay.
What the fuck? Bug signal, bro.
Shit, you better be recording, girl.
Speed limit camera ahead.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get a strike on YouTube. Welcome to downtown El Grullo. Today we're going to the little church up the hill. There's some steps. We're gonna go trek. So when I was a kid, it was all dirt and rocks up there. So in like the 90s, they got all the people, they got money from the people, and they started building steps. So now it's easier climb than before. Before it was like you gotta go through like boulders and dirt and mud. Oh, here we go. We're like a tenth of the way. A tenth. But it's a little incline, it's not bad. So the families that helped pay for each single step, they put their names like on the side.
Damn, Louis. You sure love
Halfway up. It's deeper over here.
no fear.
Name right there. And your name, ¿dónde está?
And that's my name. My dad put my name instead of the family name. Right there. So it was like around the last steps where I tripped on one of the rocks, and I still have a scar when I was like 6 or 5. Very light on my hand, but yeah, somewhere around there. And there it is. There's like a little, well, we call it capillita, but it's a little church where they come and pray. And then there's a whole soccer field behind it. Oh, that's interesting. Just a bunch of emergency numbers. So these seats are new, because it was like, it's just like an empty parking lot. But in the beginning of the year, I think it's the, forgive me, I'm not Catholic, but it's the Virgin Mary's birthday, I believe. And so they put these huge speakers out here, and at 4 in the morning they have mass, and the whole town could hear the freaking mass. It's freaking loud. And then my bedroom window is facing this hill, but it's a beautiful valley, right? That's a sugarcane mill. They make sugar, so you'll see like fields burning sometimes, and you see the ash falling because they grow a lot of sugarcane in those fields. Church. Oh shit. December 12th, 1945. I mean, this is not the main church, but they come over here to pray to people. It's very, very small. You see, they don't have many seats in there. So they have mass out here. I'm behind the church. There used to be a soccer field back here. I wonder if the soccer field is on the other side of this dead forest. So the main square, El Jardín, right? The main plaza is like 3 blocks down that way. The hill with the churches that way. And here, Emilio Zapata is La Alameda. More kids come here and play. They have more swings and stuff like that. But they also have little shacks, like little restaurants. We came to get a raspado, shaved ice. Sometimes they have like performances right here. All right, welcome to El Mercado Municipal. This is the back, because we're going north again. This is the back entrance of it. It used to be like a dirt road, kind of like another side. Right now everybody's in lunch. Most people are in lunch. 2 to 4 is when everybody closes and they reopen at 4. But let's check this out. The older gates. These are like newer shops. Clothing is usually on the outside, and then you got all the fruits and the veggies on the inside, and the little restaurants on the inside. But a lot of spots they closed because of the lunch hour. All the carnitas here are good. You got another little box right there. Front entrance next to the church. All these little shops block the view of the church. So here we are. This is the main square during the day. And like late December, I think it's actually now early January, you have the fiestas, which is the carnival that they have. You'll get like bands up here and then shows over there in that little stage. This place gets packed. They close down the streets. They put little carnival games and stuff for the kids. You walk more north, this is Calle Colón. And my dad's house is a few steps away. My dad's house, the house I grew up in. This is El Limón. We're a kilometer. This is the welcome sign, but the town is like a kilometer away. We're heading towards the swimming pools. The canal. Here we're taking a little side road, dirt road towards the pool. So these are the albercas, or balneario, agua caliente. It's like natural spring water. This is the entrance. You got your pools on the left that are cold, and then the right, huge. So the hot water comes from there, it flows to the big ones, and then it just pushes out that way. Agua caliente, hot water, warm water. Oh, this is dope. So El Grullo is known for they're like hot air balloons made of paper mache. Chido, güey. And this is another entrance to El Grullo. The baseball field was down there. And that's the high school down there. Aquí me están dando un tour. Oh, se parece como la rosa, le dicen.
Hey.
A la entrada vimos y ay, güey, ¿qué es eso? Está nuevo. Está cerrado todo.
Hey.
No, hace mucho que no vengo.
Mira el Grullo.
En El Grullo. This is the baseball field. This is the baseball field. Pero esas gradas Paseo de las Rosas. Es como cuando llegamos acá, yo estaba manejando. No pude pasar. Paseo de las Rosas. Y pura cenaduría. Es como la Alameda más o menos, ¿verdad? Pero más nice, más nueva. Ándale, y ese antro cielo que está la disco, B-roll. Alright.
What the fuck is that?
Welcome to Punta Perula. This ocean. Oh, I actually almost died here. But this boardwalk wasn't there before. That's new. But the water has always been a little calmer. I know there's some few waves, but it's calmer here than if you go to like Mazatlan, which is welcome to Zapopan. We're like a few minutes away from Guadalajara. You got the church. You got the mercado.